Are you a researcher in solid-state physics? Do you work on microelectronic devices and sensorics? Then you know about sheet and Hall resistivity measurements as versatile research tools. Hi, I'm Tobias from Tensor Instruments. Like you, we strive for the best possible resistance measurements. Let me show you how our Tensormeter can improve your scientific results. Our Tensormeter RTM1 automates the simultaneous recording of sheet and Hall resistances. It offers at least 8 digits of precision and extremely low noise both in DC and in AC. From now on, all you need for the complete electrical characterization of your samples is this single device. The architecture of the Tensormeter is based on an integrated switching matrix. It doesn't have any predefined connections. And you can collect complex switch and measurement sequences in a one-click preset. This doesn't only enable conventional 4-point measurements with fixed contact geometries, but the flexible architecture also allows many possibilities that are beyond the reach of conventional devices. For example, van-der-Pauw measurements or resistance tensor measurements. If you take all of these advantages together, even complicated tests really become high-throughput routine tasks. You can easily carry out sheet and Hall resistance tests, but on top of that you can work with irregularly shaped samples or unstructured thin films and still obtain offset-free measurements. So you can skip the expensive and time-consuming lithography process and still obtain outstanding data. The device is fully software controlled, either in our program or integrated in a user program, and all of the functions can be summarized in simple presets. You can easily set up long-term precision measurements, such as in cryostats, to run for days. And by measuring in ratiometric mode, you eliminate a lot of drift for ultimate stability. Thank you for watching. To learn how the Tensormeter can help you in your tasks, please feel free to visit us online now.